Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing one clear role to upgrade. This narrows every decision. Once decided, inspect that player's level and available training points paths. Immediately spend TP on core attributes that change performance most, pace for forwards, passing for midfielders. Don't spread TP across every stat. Concentrate to see noticeable gains quickly. Make sure to keep a small buffer of points for unlocking vital skills later, and confirm any planned transfers before committing long-run TP. You now focus on the skill tree itself. Start by unlocking essential skill nodes that directly affect match actions. Once those are bought, funnel remaining TP into growth nodes that compound over time. This yields steady improvement rather than one-off spikes. Make sure to apply trainer items and active event bonuses to maximize each point you spend. If you encounter branching choices, pick the path that complements your team formation. Keep checking match performance to validate choices and adjust if something underperforms. You finish by validating changes in real matches. Play at least 3-5 games to see how the upgraded player behaves under pressure. Once done, analyze stats and heat maps to identify weaknesses. If a mismatch emerges, use TP reset items strategically to reassign points. This avoids wasted investment. Also make sure equipment and chemistry boost the chosen attributes. Mismatched boots or formation can negate TP gains. If things still go wrong, pause and reevaluate role choice before further spending.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.